Hey there, welcome, welcome. I'm so excited for my homeowners to come home. Not only are they coming home from out of the country, their home is super cleaned. I got the soffits fixed. I went grocery shopping, filled up their refrigerator, their freezer, and all their goodies and their toiletry supplies. Happy holidays, and let Nancy's Concierge help you do the same. Hey there, one of the things that Nancy's Concierge does is go shopping for people. And then I bring the groceries to your home and I put them in your refrigerator. That's what I'm gonna do. So this family is going to be arriving home in a couple days with their 3 kids. And they're gonna be able to come home to a clean home, groceries, and everything they need to get started on their holiday trip. One of the things Nancy's Concierge does is remove all kinds of packaging from items so when the homeowner comes over, they can easily retrieve what they want at a moment's notice without worrying about unwrapping all these packages. How easy is that? Okay, I'm all finished. I've got the fresh bananas, a nice gift. I set up the blender, the Instant Pot, filled up the refrigerator, saved all the boxes and packaging just in case, and I took all the toiletries upstairs. So welcome home, family, and enjoy your holiday. All done by this, Nancy's Concierge.